Hi, I'm Kate Goldhouse of Goldhouse Gourmet, and today I'm going to show you how to make beans and greens. Beans and greens are two of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet, which is why you see them frequently used together in recipes all across the globe. Begin by preparing your curry mixture. Combine 1/2 tablespoon of coriander, 1/2 tablespoon of garam masala, 1/8 teaspoon cayenne, 1/2 teaspoon paprika, and 1/2 teaspoon turmeric. Next, chop 3 cups of cremini mushrooms. Then mince 1 onion, 1 tablespoon of ginger, 2 garlic cloves, and 1/4 cup of cilantro. In a sauté pan, sauté the onions in a tablespoon or 2 of water until slightly browned, about 5 to 10 minutes, and then add the ginger and garlic. Sauté for another minute. Then add 1/2 cup of tomato puree and the curry mixture. Stir for another 5 to 10 minutes. Add the mushrooms and sauté until they start to soften, about 3 to 5 minutes. Add 3 cups of chickpeas and 1 10-ounce package of de-thawed frozen spinach, and stir until the water has reduced. Add 1/2 cup of non-dairy milk and bring to a boil. When ready to serve, add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and stir in the cilantro. Like all beans, chickpeas are high in protein and in fiber, which helps keep us full, and antioxidants, which help prevent against cancer and heart disease.